Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are Forever Dreaming. I'm Danny. Kiki's just off break but fixing to go back on break, but this is Kiki and Donna's behind the camera.
Hey guys.
So today we're going to be discussing a hack for the cookers in the family. So if you like to cook and you want a space-saving way to store stuff, you're going to want to stick around to watch what we're fixing to show you, because it was a game changer for us. So all I got to say is that I think you're going to like this one, and it's really, really inexpensive to do. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm the cooker in the family. I like to cook. I like to experiment with meals that I can make on the road in our truck camper. And you can do this in any RV really, but we are truck campers. So this is our pantry area. So in a truck camper and RV, you're very limited on your space. So this is just part of it, but I keep all kinds of spices in here, and the spices take up so much room. And I happened to see something on Amazon and I was like, oh my gosh, I got to try this. And I just had an epiphany. And so what I've done, believe it or not, I've taken a lot of spices out of here, but we're going to show you what we've been doing. So to make room in our pantry, we did this. And we were able to put our spices up here. And what's nice about these racks, let me show you. This is the racks, bought them on Amazon. This is like 10 bucks, okay? And these racks, I've tried to show you the different kinds and different sizes of the spices that it holds. So it holds the big ones, the small ones, the glass ones, you know, all different sizes. So you'll see like the Walmart brands and some Publix stuff up here. I liked it so well, we've decided we bought 3 more, and I'm going to continue down the line with these. And then I also bought, because the only ones I have up here I have 2 that are glass, and it holds it pretty good. They have not fallen out, but I've decided that just why take the chance of a glass one? So I bought these on Amazon too. These were 10 bucks. There's 16 of them, and I'm just going to transfer the spices to these, and voila. It goes in there like that. So what's nice about these things is that they'll hold in. I mean, you got to really pull them out to get them out. And these bottles here, because it has the narrower lip here, it will still work in these. So if it was this thick all the way up, it wouldn't work. But that's what we've decided to do. By taking all the spices and putting them up where I cook, it makes up so much more room in our pantry. So we wanted to show you that. It's really, really, really simple to do. And I'm going to show you how we do it. So you only need one tool, and that's a small-headed Phillips head screwdriver. You take one of these out, and it has a 3M double back sticky tape on there. You pull that out. And you'll notice that it has 2 screw holes, one there and one there. And they're really, really tiny screws. So you can see it right here. So this is the side of the camper for us. And the screws are only like maybe a 1/4 inch long. I'll show you the screws here in a second. But what you do is we're just going to continue down the line and just kind of make it level and push it in with the 3M tape, and then you just take the screws that come in the package. They're real small. They're about a 1/4 inch, like I said. And if you look here, you'll see one hole in the bottom and one hole on the top. So they're kind of staggered. So I already put one more up and then one more, and then I've got one more to put for us. Because I like to cook. I like a lot of different spices. I like to keep things fresh. Towards our menu, we don't have the same 5 things every week. We I like to search Facebook and find menus or meals that I can cook that are really easy to do. And believe it or not, the majority of our cooking I do outside. We cook in here. There's a lot of people don't cook inside their RV. We've never had a problem with smell or anything like that with cooking inside the RV. But if I'm going to fry something, I have induction cooktop, one of the little small ones.
Portable.
Yeah, it's portable. So I just run an extension cord to outside receptacle, and I cook outside on a table because all of our pots and pans are induction capable. So anyways, I don't know why I just brought that up, but that we do a lot of that, and it's really easy to do. So all I'm going to do now is just basically line the screw up into the hole, and you're just going to screw it in. So with these small screws, you don't have to worry about going through the outside of the camper or anything. And trust me, I've actually made that mistake a couple of times. So with this one, it was really simple. So if you're not a handy person, you can tell that it's not physical. You just need a screwdriver. And you probably could get away without even doing the screws, but I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. So that's the hack that we wanted to show you. It's super easy. Like I said, the spice rack holders were $10 on Amazon. If you need the link to it, just hit us up in the comments and we'll send it out to you. And so far they haven't fallen off. We've go down some pretty gnarly roads with our boondocking. We haven't, I'm going to be flat out honest with you, we haven't done that right now. We're in Florida right now, still taking care of stuff from the hurricane. We're leaving here in a week, and we're going to be going to Georgia. So we'll have a better idea towards the bumps. So that's why I wanted to take the glass ones off, because it's better safe than sorry. A plastic one, if it falls, it's not going to break.
So Danny and I are having a difference of opinion on these bottles. So he got these new bottles that are all uniform and all matchy-matchy. And I think it would look better with all these bottles across here instead of all these mismatched ones. So I'd like for you to leave a...
Wait a minute, let me show them the mixed matched ones.
Yeah.
I don't think that looks bad at all.
Ones, we got little ones. And I got a label maker, so I can make labels that all match and it'll all be nice up there. So I would like your input on which route we should go. Should we buy some more of these and have them all match, or just leave those? Let us know. Thanks.
Donna's actually the pantry Tetris woman, so she does all that with the storage. I just do the cooking. So anyways, I just wanted to show that to you. It's a super small, short video, and it's really an easy hack that's going to save you some money. These are designed to go inside the cabinets, but we have these for storage on these, and so we don't really have the room to put them inside the cabinets. So you can do that, but I like them up here. So if I'm cooking, boom, I can grab my seasoning, boom, and I got it going on. That's it. So this is the after product. So we kind of compromised a little bit on the sizes. And as you can tell, we have a little bit more room that we can add more to if we wanted to. But that is a total of 6 racks, so 2 orders basically. And it came out pretty good, I like it. If you thought you got anything out of this video, please like and subscribe to it. It really helps us out. And I really appreciate y'all support. Me and Donna love it. In the comments, if you have any questions about anything, we'll try to help you out as much as we can. That's it. Thanks, guys.